Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video where we cover the economic and finance news of the country which is useful for everybody. So make sure you watch this video till the end and then share it with your friends and relatives as well. News number 1, Bangalore-based Assist has filed documents with SEBI for IPO. Assist has filed for approval for a 840 crore rupees IPO. It's a third-party administrator for health insurance policies. It processes and manages the documentation for health insurance claims. It has a market share of 29% in private health insurance administrators. News number 2. Flipkart planning to raise Rs 7,500 crores from private investors. Flipkart, which is a majority owned by US-based Walmart, is planning an IPO in USA this year. But before that, it is planning to raise around Rs 7,500 crores from private investors. Flipkart offers more than 15 crore products across 80 categories on its website. It is a market leader in India in various categories, especially in online clothing sales. News number 3. Mobile phone manufacturers delay new model launches due to lower demand. Top smartphone companies such as Xiaomi, Vivo, Samsung, Micromax have postponed new model launches due to problems in manufacturing and distribution and also lower demand due to COVID second wave. Usually in May, companies release many new models since it would be widely available in the market by the time the festival season comes up in October. In March 2021, 22 new models were launched and 26 new models were launched in April 2021. News number 4. Petrol and diesel prices are record high. Prices have been rising continuously since 1 week. I have put the prices of the petrol in Bangalore 3rd May 2021 93.43, 10th May 2021 94.57, rupees 1 rupee and 14 paisa increase and 1.22% increase. In fact, in some places in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, petrol price has already crossed 100 mark and is rupees 102.7 per litre. It may not be very far when the prices in Bangalore or Mumbai or Chennai will cross 100 if this continues like this. News number 5. Quarterly results of Kansai Nerolac Paints. Net sales January to March 2020 1080 crores. January to March 2021 1460 crores, 35% increase. Net profit 67 crores. January March 2021 124 crores, 85% increase. The results were as per analyst expectations. However, net profit growth was high since in 2020 it had declined drastically due to national lockdown. It is currently trading at around Rs 558 per share compared to its 52-week high of Rs 680. News number 6. Registration of vehicles falls 28% in April 2021. More than 75% of vehicle showrooms in the country have been closed down due to lockdown. Vehicle registrations, which is an indication of retail sales, has fallen by 28% in April 2021 compared to March 2021. May 2021 is likely to be worse. Retailers, which are the showrooms, will find it difficult to manage costs such as salaries and rent if their situation continues and vehicle sales continue to fall like this. News number 7. Today's stock market update. So this was today's breaking news. If you found this video good, please press the like button. Comment in the comment section about what you think about the hike in the petrol prices and diesel prices continuously for the last few days, especially in this difficult period of lockdowns and corona second wave. Share this video with all your friends. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.